Let's fix this layer. We can see here it's emitting every frame, right? So what I want to do here, it should emit every 12 frames. So to do that, we will use this switch if. If I go to 12 frame, it's not visible. Yes, now it's visible. So it should be like this. So for that, I will use this expression $ff percentage 12. Now you can see every 12 frame it will active, right? Yes, you can see it's there. Let me on this real time. Yes, it's working. Cool. So we can cache this now. To cache this, we have to find out the what's the best value for this simulation, right? To find out that, we have to go here, and this is our main source, right? So let's use this copy stem. I will use back and box. Let's merge these two now. So this is our particle separation. So if I reduce it, okay, so it's too huge. Let's reduce it. Yes, I think this much is fine. On this distance, you can see here. So you can go till here also, but it will increase a lot simulation time. But for this, I think 0.004 is best, and we will get nice detail in this. So always it's highly depend on the distance and scene scale, right? So for now you can see here. So I want this much, right? So let's set this over here, 0.004, right? So you can see, yep, it's working well. This is the best way to visualize particle separation or voxel size. Let's delete this now, we don't need this anymore. Cool. So let's go to first frame. Let's use this top. Paste over here, and here we will write this name, chocolate. Sorry. It will visible here. Yes. Right. So better way to write geometry over here. Cool. And we have a bunch of these attributes, and it's always good to clean this, and we have special node for that, fluid compress. I don't want all of these attributes, just delete them. I need piece velocity and piece scale. Check this off. These options are useful in ocean, flip tank and everything. We don't need this, and let's set resolution here. All cool. Yep, it's working. So we can use file cache. So this is the like first cache of this lesson. Let's cache it. So it's dollar heap. So generally dollar heap is the file path of the Houdini file. So if I copy paste this folder anywhere in this location, it will sync this heap path and it will read this cache. So let's use $os. Okay, so can we optimize it more? So the answer is yes, we can optimize it more. So if you see here, if I visualize from this camera, it's visible on this frame, right? So all of this we can delete based on the camera frustum. To do that, we will use this group process. So let's rename this as cam crop. It should be points and $voice. And it requires this volume. Let's select this volume from camera. And this SDF, select camera over here, one. And here I will delete this and I need volume. Let's increase the ISO surface. You can see here, it's working. So I'll use one blast. Yes, it's working. And this is like near surface, to make sure it's 0, and this is distance, so it's 10. And we can increase this a bit so it can take some of the area. 0.05. Yes, this much is fine. So if I middle click and just check this memory, 1.6, and yes, so we have optimized it more, right? Cool. So now let's cache this